Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear young heroes of Trendy Pupil family. Are you ready to become a superhero at home? Okay, fine. Today we are talking about 10 fun and easy ways you can help your parents with daily family chores. Trust me, these small efforts can make a big difference in making your home happier and more organized. Plus, you will feel great lending a helping hand. So, dear friends, let's dive into these awesome tips to turn you into the ultimate family helper. Your parents will thank you and you will love the results. Remember, your parents offer all the tasks and you will just follow their instruction. My dear little friends, so let's get started.
Number 1. Offer to set the table. Encourage kids to help set the table before meals, including placing dishes, utensils, and napkins. Number 2. Assist with meal preparation. Involve kids in age-appropriate tasks such as washing vegetables, stirring ingredients, or setting timers while cooking. Number 3. Clean up after meals. Teach kids to clear their dishes from the table, wipe down surfaces, and unload the dishwasher or hand wash dishes. Number 4. Tidy up shared spaces. Encourage kids to pick up their toys, books, or belongings and return them to their designated places to keep shared spaces tidy. Number 5. Help with laundry. Show kids how to sort laundry, load and unload the washing machine, fold clothes, and put them away. Number 6. Take care of pets. If the family has pets, assign kids tasks such as feeding, grooming, or taking dogs for walks to help care for them. Number 7. Assist with grocery shopping. Bring kids along to the grocery store and involve them in selecting items from the shopping list or carrying lighter bags. Number 8. Water plants. If there are indoor or outdoor plants, assign kids the responsibility of watering them regularly. Number 9. Assist with household cleaning. Assign age-appropriate cleaning tasks such as dusting, vacuuming, sweeping, or wiping surfaces to help maintain a clean home. Number 10. Offer to help with younger siblings. Encourage older kids to assist with supervising or entertaining younger siblings, giving parents some extra support and time to tackle other tasks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for getting more videos. Bye.